you guys are all crypto enthusiasts. How does that 4-year cycle go in crypto? And wouldn't this align nicely with the next 4-year crypto cycle? I think so. Think of it this way, and this is going to be an interesting question for you. And I don't know whether you can get this or not, but it'll be an interesting question for you. Could the market move like this up if everybody was long and everybody was bullish? Is that how bull markets work? How does this price actually move up like this? The irony of it all is actually you've got to have the public not long here. And in fact, you probably, middle part of 2023, we got to start getting messages, maybe on that fail right there, that capitalism is over, that you should not be invested in the stock market, that MMT is the only way to go, the end of the world. Maybe, maybe a nuclear bomb goes off somewhere. And then what ends up happening, and the interesting thing is you can even run the statistics now. Check this out. This is interesting. If I go percent of household net worth invested in the stock market. All right. So anyway, the point of the matter here is around the dot-com boom. You can see we were up in the 60s. And actually interesting there, we actually double bottomed 2013, 2016. Now, did this Beamish guy say something about something happening around 2017, 2018? Have you ever heard this Beamish guy talking about maybe there was some sort of cycle shift or something that happened here? I'm talking about the fear, greed cycles. So in a weird sort of way, you can even see that 2017, 2018, that was the end of a 20-year slide of equity ownership going down. And of course, remember, when people are fearful, they get out of equities. When they're greedy, they go into equities. So, point of the matter here, I think, is actually you can see that as of Brian's fear-greed cycle apex pivot, now Americans are actually coming back in on the greedy side. We are in that greed cycle now, folks. It's just that simple. So how do we get the stock market to move up like this? Well, ironically enough, you just got to get people that aren't long to go, hey, maybe I'm missing out. Maybe I better go and buy some of those mutual funds. Hey, there's a hot stock pick. Maybe I should go buy. I haven't bought stock in years. Maybe I should go buy some more. The worst part about it is right here. And I mean, look at this. It's so perfect. Once we get to this point, do you think the public is invested now that they've bid the damn prices up? The point I'm trying to make here is I think actually we're just right on course. And I would highly encourage you to use this Benner cycle 22-23 time frame to just clean yourself up. Get your act together. Get your capital together. Get the ideas that you're interested in. If you're a Bitcoin maxi, all right, well, actually, it makes it really easy. Remember this date right here. Look how the market turns up right here. So this is January 2024. So just remember that date, January 2024. Okay, so here is our 4-year cycles. I won't go into all of the comparisons. If you don't understand these comparisons, then watch, previous videos and, public broadcasts and stuff. But basically the roadmap for Bitcoin, you can see, I've already talked to you guys about this. This is your accumulation window. And where the hell is January 2024? Well, it's right here. So December, there's December 23, so January 24. Oh, look, what's that thing over there? What happens when Bitcoin goes through its halvenings? If you don't believe this one, look at it halved, then all hell broke loose. All right, let's go back to the last one. Bitcoin halves, and all hell breaks loose. So, didn't we say something about crypto being highly correlated with tech? What do you think the NASDAQ is going to do through this? They used to call it the NASDAQ, the stock market for the next 100 years. So if you think the Dow is going to do well, what the hell is the goddamn NASDAQ going to do? It's going to go crazy. So the interesting thing, and frankly speaking, as we go through that NASDAQ boom, I believe, and this whole stock market boom, I believe a huge portion of the conversation is all going to be around crypto.